Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This 17.6 carat diamond belonging to a Dallas billionaire heiress is set to be auctioned for $1.5 million. If you are craving a dash of shine in your life and have millions in your bank balance to spare, here's a piece of news for you. A jewelry collection from one of Dallas's wealthiest philanthropists is all set to be sold for charity, and it, or at least some of its items, could be yours after Sammons Enterprises heiress Mary Anne Sammons Cree died last year. Her collection, including a 17.6 carat yellow diamond ring, has come up for auction. The sale will be conducted online, and the showstopper, that is, the ring, has already received a $200,000 bid. Commenting on the collection, Jill Burgum, Heritage Auctions Executive Director of Fine Jewelry, in a statement said, "The pieces are of exceptional quality, so they stand by themselves on their own. But the icing on the cake is to know that the piece will go to a good cause to help the community." Proceeds from the sale will go to a fund set up in the name of Cree's mother at the community's foundation. Remarking on it, Monica Christopher, Chief Giving and Community Impact Officer for the charity, said, "We do get a good number of non-traditional gifts, not cash or stocks. That's the benefit of working with a foundation like CFT, is that you can be creative with how to maximize your donations." Apart from the diamond ring, other pieces in the collection include a few diamond rings, earrings and brooches, and several butterfly pieces, which were favorites of both Cree and her mother, the late Rosine Smith Sammons. Thanks for listening, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.